Hello guys, welcome to another informative video in this COBOL programming course. In this video, we will discuss about compiling COBOL programs. COBOL is a high-level language, and to convert its human-readable code into machine-executable instructions, we rely on COBOL compilers. There are various COBOL compilers available, each with its unique features and optimizations. Popular choices include Micro Focus COBOL, GNU COBOL, and IBM Enterprise COBOL. The compilation process involves several stages from source code to executable program. The COBOL compiler translates your program into intermediate form and then to combine its necessary libraries to create the final executable. There are many mainframe compiler utilities available to compile a COBOL program. Some corporate companies use change management tools like Endeavor, which compiles and it stores every version of the program. This is useful in tracking the changes made to the program. The most common utility is IGY-CRCTL is an IBM COBOL compiler utility. You can see the compilation job example here. The compiler options are passed using the PALM parameter here. In this example, R mode instructs the compiler to use relative addressing mode in the program. The COBOL program is passed using the sysyn parameter. We can pass the COBOL program in this sysyn parameter, and we can pass the copybook library if we have used in our program. If we have used copybook in our program, we can give the copy library here in syslib. And sysl mode is the output of our source program, the object module which we can use to execute the program. So that's it. We have discussed how to compile a COBOL program through the COBOL compiler utility. So we will meet in the next lecture, guys. Thank you.